In this lesson, I am going to explain question number 18 of T2 exercise 14C. So let's see how it goes. So question number 18, identify and shade the following regions on separate Venn diagrams. Okay, so the Venn diagram, basic Venn diagram is given. So for part number 1, question number 18, and part A, and from here part number 1. First of all, you need to shade A union B complement. So draw a Venn diagram against it. This rectangle represents what? Universal set. Draw set A inside it and a set B. Now this is A, this is B, right? Now what's next? The region for A union B complement. Okay, first of all, B complement mean all the region outside B. This one B complement. I am shading B complement, all the region excluding B. Okay, like this. This is B complement. And what is A? A will be this region. Now for union, this complete region having both the hashed line, both the inclined lines like this one and like this one, this will be the answer. That is this complete region where you have got B complement and where you have got A. Now this complete region is the answer for this one. In union, you take all the region of A and all the region of B complement. Okay, so that is this complete region is the answer, other than this one, for part number 1. Part number 2 is A intersection B complement. Draw a Venn diagram. Rectangle represents universal set, a set A and a set B. Okay, now first of all, you need to draw B complement. So we draw B complement by vertical lines. B complement mean all the region other than B. Okay, all the region except B. This one. This is B complement. What about A? This is A. This is A. A is shaded with horizontal lines, B complement by vertical lines. Now what is the answer for A intersection B complement? Now A intersection B complement mean the region where you have both of these lines, both the horizontal and vertical lines, mean you have A as well as B complement in that region. So this part where you have got both these lines, this part. Now this part is the answer, this one, for this. Part number 3, we have got A union B complement. A union B complement. First of all, draw a Venn diagram. This rectangle represents universal set, then you have got set A and B. Okay. Now A union B mean the region of A and the region of B, while I am talking about A union B complement. So all the region outside A and B, outside A and B will be shaded. This is answer for this part, all the region outside A and B, because I am taking complement of A union B. Part number 4, that is A intersection B or complement. Now draw a Venn diagram, the same one as given in the question. This is universal set, a circle for A, a circle for B. Now identify A intersection B, this one. This region is A intersection B, the common part of A and B. Now because I am going to take complement of A intersection B, now the complement of A intersection B mean not A intersection B. Not A intersection B mean all the region other than A intersection B will be your answer. So just shade all the region other than A intersection B, like this. So this will not be shaded, else all the region will be shaded. Next one, part number 5 is A complement union B complement. Draw a diagram for that. This is A, this is B. Okay, this rectangle is universal set. Now for A complement I am using vertical lines. For A complement I am using vertical lines, and for A complement you are not going to cross A. A complement mean not A, so these vertical lines will not cross A. Other than A you will be everywhere. These vertical lines are for A complement, right? Okay. And for B complement I am using horizontal lines, so B complement will be shaded with horizontal lining. And remember, B complement mean not B, so don't go through B. Not B mean don't go through B. I am not going through B. You can observe vertical lines are not passing through B. Not B. Okay, like this. So vertical lines are not through B, and they shouldn't be here. Okay, I cannot pass through B. Vertical lines cannot, horizontal lines cannot pass through B. Vertical lines that represents A complement, they will not pass through A. Now what about union? Now union mean all the region where you have vertical line and where you have got horizontal lines, mean where you have got A complement and wherever you have B complement. Both the regions for A complement and B complement will be included, irrespective of the fact whether you have one of them or you have both of them. So the double lining, now this double line shows that here you have got vertical as well as horizontal lines. Now presence of both the lines mean you have A complement, B complement over here, and presence of single lining mean you have one of them. So the union includes both of them as well as one of them. So this complete shaded part mean this complete region, this complete one where you have single lining and where you have double lining. Now this is the answer, this one. Single line, double line, both are included. So this is the shading for this one. Then part number 6, and that is A complement intersection B complement. Okay, draw a Venn diagram. Should I find a more space over here? Okay, that will be enough maybe. This is universal set, the set A, the set B, represented by A and B. Okay, now for A complement use vertical lines as above, and for B complement use horizontal lines. So I am going to draw A complement, mean all the region except A. So as you can see, I am not passing through A. Vertical lines representing A complement, they are not passing through A, like this. And B complement mean not B, so draw horizontal lines that must pass through all the region other than B. Other than B. Okay, other than B. Oh, other than B. Other than B. B complement mean not B. Not B. Okay. As you can see, horizontal lines are not in B and vertical lines are not in A, because vertical line represents A complement, horizontal lines represent B complement. Now for intersection. Intersection mean the region where you have both of them, where you have A complement and where you have B complement. That means the region where you have vertical line as well as you have got horizontal lines. You should have vertical and horizontal lines in that part. So this outer region where you have got both the lines, that is the answer. This outer part, this outer one only, where you have got both the lines, the horizontal as well as the vertical, this one, this one, this one. This is the answer for this part number 6. Then we have part number 7 from question number 18. Part number 7 is A complement union B whole complement. Okay, draw a Venn diagram for this one. This is the Venn diagram. Now draw two subsets for this. This represents A, this represents B, this represents universal set, the rectangle. A complement union B. So first of all, identify A complement. Now all the region outside A will be part of A complement, and let's shade it with horizontal lines. Okay, like this. No, these vertical lines. The vertical lines are representing A complement. This is A complement, vertical lines. A complement, vertical lines. A complement, vertical lines. Okay. Then B, shade B with horizontal lines. B with horizontal lines. Now union of both of them mean the region where you have either A complement or B or both. So this within the set, the answer is single line. Wherever you have got single line and you have got double lines. Now this single line plus double lines belongs to this within the bracket region. However, the situation is that we are not going to include this region, which is represented by single lines as well as by double lines. So the region other than the single line and double line will be the answer for this question. So this region where you don't have got any single line and double line, this one. So I am shading this one. Now this region where you don't have any of the line, this one. Yes, this is the answer for you. This is the answer. A and complement union B whole complement. Part number 7. Now part number 8 says, part 8, A union B complement whole complement. Okay, Venn diagram. This rectangle represents universal set. This is set A, this is set B. Now first of all, identify the region A union B complement. First of all, shade B complement by vertical lines and A by horizontal lines. Now the vertical line represents B complement, B complement, B complement, B complement, B complement, B complement mean not B, 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 not B mean not B, B complement not B, B complement not B. Vertical lines represents B complement, not B. Then A with horizontal lines, A horizontal lines. Okay. Okay. The region inside this bracket is basically the region where you have got single line and double lines and single lines. All the region single line and double line, this all is basically this. However, we are going to take complement of this, mean the region which is included in this one is not to be shaded, is not our answer. Basically is not our answer. This region which is represented by vertical and horizontal lines, this is not our required answer. Our required answer is this region where you don't have any of the lines. So shade it. Yes, let me shade it, it may take time. Okay, yes, shading needs time. Okay, yes, this shading, this one, this is your answer, this is your answer, this one, this is your answer. Then the part B of this question says, what do you notice about these sets? The one. Okay, part 1, part B of question number 18, size 14C, that is A union B all complement and A complement intersection B complement. Let's draw Venn diagram for this one. A rectangle to represent what? Universal set, a set A and a set B to represent a circle A. Oh, excuse me. We have got a circle for A, a circle for B, And for this one, draw another rectangle to represent universal set and two circles, one for A, one for B. Now for A union B whole complement, that was this one, and that mean all the region, this one outside region, this is A union B whole complement. You can go to this part and you can see this was the answer, all the region outside A and B. And A complement intersection B complement was also the region outside. This was A complement, for that was indicated by vertical lines. I got it. This was A complement vertical line maybe, and then B complement by horizontal lines, B complement by horizontal lines. So the region outside was the answer for this one. As you can see, both are same, both are same. That is A union B whole complement is same as A complement intersection B complement. The region is same outside the circles, outside the circles. Then what do you notice about A intersection B whole complement and A complement union B complement? Draw Venn diagram for this one as well. Okay, this is set A, this is B, this is universal. A intersection B is this part, this one, no? This one. Okay, all the region outside this, all the region outside this is the answer for this, is the answer for A intersection B whole complement. This all the region outside this. And what about this one? This is A complement union B complement. Okay, that will be the same. A, B, A complement by vertical, B complement by horizontal. Vertical, A complement, not A, not A. A complement by vertical, B complement by horizontal. B complement by horizontal. Now, I am talking about the union part. Union says the area where you have both, where you have A complement or B complement or both. Maybe we have got A complement over here, maybe B complement, or maybe both. So all the area with single line and with double line is the answer for this one. So again this area is left behind, so both are same. So the answer for these are same. So this is the solution for question number 18 of D2 exercise 14C. Next question will be uploaded in the next video. Thank you so much.